Our first segment, the Distinguished Alumnus Award, is the highest award given by IIT Kanpur to its alumni in recognition to their outstanding achievements. Every year, Institute honors individuals who have made a mark in their respective field of expertise. Since its inception in 1989, this honor has been bestowed upon a total of 152 alumni for their academic excellence, professional excellence, entrepreneurship, and management excellence in activities pertaining to the services of humanities at large.
Our next Distinguished Alumnus Awardee 2021 is Mr. Rahul Garg. I request Mr. Rahul Garg to please join us on stage. Mr. Rahul Garg earned his bachelor's degree in electrical engineering from IIT Kanpur in 2001. He currently serves as the founder of Moglix, an Asia-based e-commerce company intensively inclined towards B2B procurement of industrial supplies, packing, contract management, software as a service, supply chain financing, manufacturing as a service, distribution and logistics for manufacturing across the spectrum. Mr. Garg's achievements as an entrepreneur are driven by his contribution as a technology expert and innovator. He has been a leading technical expert who has contributed to expanding the frontiers of wireless technology, networking, and satellite technology. He has authored 9 technology papers in national and international conferences. He holds 16 US patents in the areas of wireless technology, digital networks, and analytics. Honoring his stellar contributions to innovation, technology, and entrepreneurship, IIT Kanpur confers upon Mr. Rahul Garg the Distinguished Alumnus Award of 2021. I now request Professor Abhay Karandikar to felicitate Mr. Rahul Garg. And I request Dr. Radhakrishnan to present the silver plaque. I'll now like to request Mr. Rahul Garg to kindly present his acceptance speech.
So, Honorable Minister, Dr. Radhakrishnan, Professor Karandikar, faculty members, families, my other distinguished alumni, team members, and ladies and gentlemen. Firstly, I don't think among all awards that I have received, or maybe some of them in future, I think this award remains the dearest of all. As a BTech student, if you enter the college and you look up to all the distinguished alumni in past who have gotten it, I would say that it was an awe feeling when I heard that I would be joining that league. And as I reflect upon what did IITK do to me, and I think it's very difficult to summarize in few sentences. I think we can stay all night and talk about it. But 3 things that kind of stuck on me, that what it did to me and my entire journey thereon. I mean, the first one was clear love and passion for engineering. I have gone about spending time in wireless communication, internet, e-commerce, all of the spaces. But every time I enter a new technology field, I almost feel like I am a child who is entering a toy store. I would imagine at some point I might play a role in designing flying cars. That is something that has remained a dream for me. And I think that love and passion just grew at the campus and it continues to build on me. The second thing I think it did to me, and it probably does to every student, when I joined IITK, I was the district topper of my district. And you join and you get your semester 1 grades. You realize that it is not looking good. And the semester 2 grades actually reset the bar, that you have entered an institution which fundamentally will redefine the 2 words, what is excellence and what is hard work. And I would say that that has really grown on me as I meet more of the IITK alum, that when 95% people give up, that this is a hard and difficult problem to solve, I think you have to call upon IIT Kanpur graduates to start to figure out how to go about solving that problem. And I think that is something I truly believe that has been a spirit of IIT Kanpur, which has really something inspired me, and I continue to try my best to be in that 5% bucket. The third thing which I think really grew on me, and it continues to do, is this entire humility and passion for making impact to society. And I saw that playing out as much in COVID times, interacting with Professor Karandikar, many of the faculty members, many of the alumni who took upon them the challenging task of coming up with ventilator in a record 6 to 10 weeks. I think that is the power of IIT Kanpur, where they do not just apply their brains to capitalistic approaches, but they are always thinking about what can I do for the society, what can I do to create larger impact on the world that we are here. I also want to thank and take this opportunity, firstly, for my parents and my sister, without whom I would not have inspiration to work hard to get into this institution. I would also want to thank all of my 440 batchmates who continue to push the bar up. I would like to thank few professors who really changed my life. Two of them I would want to mention here, Professor A.K. Chaturvedi and Professor Vishwanath Sinha, who really inspired me to pursue wireless communication at that point in time and really get into the area of electrical design. But post IIT Kanpur, also I continue to be touched by various alumni. Like Mukesh Bansal, I also have multiple investors from IIT Kanpur, and I think that immediate bonding that we want to change the world together is something that comes so naturally when you walk to those guys and talk about what you're trying to do. And I can go on and on in terms of the number of people from IIT Kanpur that I continue to touch, be inspired from, learning from them, working with them in various shapes or form, and this is all possible with this one decision of joining IIT Kanpur. So again, thanks a lot for believing in me. I think this is still start of the journey. We have long road ahead. I will continue to try my best to live up to the expectations. Happy Diwali to everyone, but I can't stop by saying IIT Kanpur ka tempo high hai.